They told us the secret was simple: work hard and you'll succeed. Sweat more, grind longer, and eventually, you'll be rewarded with wealth. But if that were true, the hardest working people in the world, the farmers, the factory workers, the waiters pulling double shifts, would be billionaires. And yet, they're not. So today, we're going to explore the uncomfortable truth: why hard work alone doesn't make you rich, and what actually does. If you've been grinding day and night but still feel stuck, this is for you. Because the truth is, working hard is important, but it's not enough. And if you don't understand why, you'll end up exhausted and broke. So let's dig deeper. The myth of hard work. From childhood, society wires us with one message: work harder than everyone else, and you'll be rewarded. Schools hand out gold stars for effort. Employers praise the hustler who never sleeps. Motivational posters scream, "Hard work pays off." But here's the flaw: effort doesn't equal value. Think about it. A coal miner in the 1800s worked 12 hours a day underground. A single mistake could mean death. Their bodies were broken. Their lives were short. Yet, they were paid pennies. Meanwhile, the mine owner sat in a mansion. Same industry, different outcome. Why? Because the owner controlled the system, not just the labor. Hard work without leverage is like running on a treadmill. You're sweating, you're moving, but you're not getting anywhere. Why some hard work pays more? Here's the truth: not all hard work is valued equally. A nurse can work a 12-hour shift, save lives, and go home exhausted, only to earn less than a TikTok influencer who dances for 30 seconds. Unfair? Yes, but it shows something important. The market doesn't pay you for effort. It pays you for impact, scarcity, and leverage. Effort alone isn't the currency. The question is, how many people does your work touch? How easily can it be replaced? And how much leverage do you have over the outcome? The power of leverage. Think about two scenarios. In the first, a farmer wakes up at 5 a.m., tills the soil, waters the crops, and harvests by hand. Hard, physical, backbreaking work. In the second, another farmer uses machines, irrigation systems, and contracts with supermarkets. He still works hard, but his work is multiplied. Same hours in the day, same sun, same rain, but one farmer feeds 100 people, the other feeds 100,000. That's the difference between labor and leverage. Labor is trading time for money. Leverage is using tools, technology, or systems to multiply your time. The wealthiest people in history weren't the hardest laborers. They were the ones who found leverage. From Rockefeller with oil pipelines, to Elon Musk with factories and rockets, to content creators today using the internet to reach millions with one upload. They understood this. Hard work is the engine, but leverage is the fuel. The trap of working hard without strategy. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they confuse movement with progress. Picture this: someone works 14 hours a day at 2 jobs. They never take a break. Their friends admire their hustle. But at the end of the month, bills still swallow the paycheck. Why? Because they're stuck in what I call the hamster wheel traps. The wheel spins faster, but it's still inside the cage. This is the danger of blind hard work. Without direction, without leverage, and without strategy, it just burns you out. Real-world examples. Think about this. A delivery driver and Jeff Bezos both work hard. But Bezos' effort creates systems, Amazon warehouses, logistics, online marketplaces that work for him while he sleeps. A YouTuber who uploads a single video can reach 10 million people overnight. Meanwhile, a teacher preparing a class spends the same amount of time, but only reaches 30 students. A coder who writes an app once can sell it 1,000,000 times, but a cashier must show up every single day just to earn the same paycheck again. It's not about who sweats the most, it's about who sets up work that keeps working without them. That's the hidden formula the wealthy understand. Don't just work hard, work smart in ways that scale. The real formula for wealth. So if hard work alone doesn't make you rich, what does? The formula looks more like this: hard work times leverage times direction times consistency. Hard work is still required, but it's only the foundation. Leverage multiplies your effort. Direction ensures you're running toward the right goal. Consistency keeps the system growing. Think of wealth as a fire. Hard work is the spark. Leverage is the gasoline. Direction is the wind guiding the flames. And consistency, that's the wood you keep adding over time. Without all four, the fire dies. The mindset shift. So here's the mindset shift. Stop asking, how can I work harder? Start asking, how can I make my work multiply? Instead of trading every hour for money, build something that works even when you don't. That could be a business, a skill that scales, investments, or even content that lives online forever. Wealth doesn't reward sweat alone, it rewards systems. At the end of the day, the people who change their lives aren't just the hardest workers. They're the smartest builders. So don't just grind, build leverage, build systems, build impact, and if this message spoke to you, share it with someone who's still stuck on the hamster wheel. Because the sooner they understand this truth, the sooner they can escape it. This is Mr. Easy Professor, and remember, work hard, but work smart, because that's how you win.